Hey guys, it's Abhishek back again with another exciting tutorial. Today we're diving into the world of Arduino with the introduction of the all-new Arduino Uno R4 Minima and Wi-Fi. Welcome to the era of innovation with the Arduino Uno R4 Minima and Wi-Fi. These new additions to the Arduino family are nothing short of revolutionary. Let's kick things off by introducing the Arduino Uno R4, a remarkable upgrade from its predecessors. Available in two variants, the Uno R4 Minima and Wi-Fi, these boards are set to redefine your DIY projects. First up, let's take a closer look at the Arduino Uno R4 Minima. Powered by an ARM Cortex-M4 core, this board is a powerhouse of performance. Featuring a 32-bit RA4 M1 series microcontroller from Renesas, the Uno R4 Minima boasts a blazing 48 MHz clock speed. But that's not all. With 256 KB flash memory, 32 KB SRAM, and 8 KB data flash EEPROM, this board is ready to tackle even the most demanding projects. The Uno R4 Minima comes packed with features, including a real-time clock RTC 4x direct memory access controller DMAC and up to 14-bit ADC. Plus, with built-in op-amp and 1x CAN bus support, this board offers unparalleled versatility. Now, let's compare the Arduino Uno R3 and R4 Minima. While the R3 features an Atmega 328P microcontroller and 8-bit architecture, the R4 Minima steps up with its ARM Cortex-M4 processor and 32-bit architecture. With increased flash memory, SRAM, and additional features like real-time clock and DAC, the R4 Minima is a game-changer in the world of microcontrollers. Next on our list is the Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi. Powered by the RA4 M1 microcontroller and featuring an ESP32 module, this board offers seamless Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. With its unique 12x8 LED matrix and quiet connector, the Uno R4 Wi-Fi opens up a world of possibilities for visual prototyping and plug-and-plug projects. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive overview of the Arduino Uno R4 Minima and Wi-Fi. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials and tech updates. Until next time, happy tinkering!